What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I know you thought we forgot about the new Edge Coyote swap, but I promise we didn't, and you're about to see just what all has been done. So let's go. All right, gentlemen. As you can see, it's on the ground. So yes, we got the A-arms, which we'll show you those. There you go, boys. She is ready to rock. Looking freaking great. Thank you, sir.
Let me give you a hand.
It, man, and it really does look factory. Did you just like you killed it? And guys, this is the reason, like, you know, we wanted to keep the battery and all that. It really does look factory. This is how we made all this work. The tank, this is like, you know, just a Canton, and had it cut down so we could make the cold air intake fit. Got the 45-degree elbow to help, you know, kind of change the angle of the 18 intake, and then had a little tab welded on here so you could mount the, because there really, honestly, guys, there was no room to put the power steering reservoir, and normally we put it there, but just had a little tab welded on there. But guys, like, yeah, can't freaking believe it. And then we've got these tubes, just had to modify those a little bit to run them to this side, and then just flip the cold air intake over. No problem whatsoever. Do have some of those cam covers coming, but guys, I'm telling you, it looks great. Now, next thing, yes, gentlemen, the Dakota Digital. What do you think about that? Freaking love it. And then we have, so you guys know what this means, right? You know what this means? We're gonna drive it. Boys, here we go. First drive of the Coyote Swap New Edge, and everybody was giving Bernard a hard time about his the grown man's, man. The Dakota gauges. Oh, yeah, it is open headers, boys. So let's get on the road and see how she does. beast, dude. It's a beast. Yeah, temps look great. Put some gas in her, boys. See what she'll do. Man, smooth as silk. It was just a little jumpy, like I said. Probably gonna need a little gas in it. But runs great. It light them up just like immediately.
Yeah.
It just crazy.
In the distance it sounds good.
Just run open headers, you know. We don't need exhaust that. Alright boys, so we up in town trying to put a little gas in this thing, and so far it's running great. It's running real good. Check on the temps and stuff. See how she's doing. How's she doing?
Pretty good.
Temps good?
Oh yeah, always.
Yeah. Put a little 93 in her. Uh-oh. Everything taking color today. Man, this sounds good though. Get a little fuel in it and make a couple of hits. Just blowing the tires off. It's so freaking loud. So there you have it. This thing, we've got a couple of little things that we need to kind of tighten up with, and basically it just had a mass air code. We were missing a little screw right there, and then had a little bit of a coolant leak right there, and the way it's running kind of need an oxygen sensor is what it feels like. Had a couple of codes for O2 sensors, but such is the swap life, right? But we will have a little more of this. We gotta still put on the gear and put the rest of the exhaust on this car as well, and just, you know, tighten up all the little bugs and stuff like that happens with these. But I mean, it's a monster. This thing's so much fun and it drives great. I will also, guys, I will have a video and I will itemize the costs for swapping this car, the absolute necessity costs, so you can get a good idea of what something like this is going to run you. That video will be coming soon, and I also am going to, in that video, cover the rest of a little bit of wiring that I wasn't able to cover before. So keep it tuned for that, guys. I promise I'm not going to let you down. We'll have that, and maybe do a little more driving of it once she gets all squared away, because we really need to feel this bad boy. We have to feel a little bit, but not 100%. So keep an eye out for that. And if you like Coyote Swap New Edges, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the next video on this one.